how to change the quality of your voice audio and make it good on Audacity. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make the quality of your voice and recording good and high on Audacity. So all what you have to do is select your audio like this and then go to effect, click here on equalization and then click here on choose bass boost, click OK, and then go again to effect and click on equalization and add treble boost right here and click OK. And now I am sure 100% that your voice audio is gonna be good more than it was. And also you can add here to effect and go down to noise reduction and click on get noise profile, and congratulations. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching until the very end.